Welcome back to this short series on building the Fallout 10mm pistol cosplay prop. This video will be a bit shorter than the first one, as today we will just be adding all of the greeblies and getting it ready for final assembly. For those that don't know, greeblies are accent or detail pieces added to something after the main part has been built. I believe the term came about from ILM modelers on the original Star Wars. I am going to continue to use the tried and true method of spreading baking soda on the one piece and adding CA glue to the other. There is a chemical reaction that changes the CA from a monomer to a polymer and essentially turns the combination into a sort of plastic, creating a chemical bond. By the way, I will have this and other props available on my website at kingantdesigns.com or my Etsy shop by the same name. So if you want to grab something, come check out the store. While I haven't played much Fallout, I do like the lore behind the series, and the weapons are super interesting to me. And when Marco from Mystery Maker's Patreon put these designs out, I knew I had to make one, or two, okay, maybe three. I think Vault 106 or Vault 11 will be the toughest to live in. If you have played any of the Fallout games, let me know in the comments which vault you would hate to be trapped in, or maybe even which one you would like to be trapped in. How about that?
He did that.
You'll notice that I wipe off the excess baking soda with a really ratty toothbrush. I buy them from the local Dollar Tree as it's an easy way to clean up small areas. I'm all about DIY, and the Dollar Tree is a treasure trove of DIY and craft supplies at a low cost. I want to say thanks for stopping by and watching this build progress. If you want to go back and watch the first installment, I will link it at the end of the video. In the next video, we'll cover building and installing the trigger box and possibly start weathering the 10mm. Every YouTube video asks you to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to see the rest of the build, stay tuned for more content, and until next time, King Ant